To resolve an auger jam on the Searwood Pellet Grill, you'll need to have a Phillips head screwdriver, a Weber fuel storage bag, or a large container to collect pellets handy. Unplug the grill and wait until the grill is fully cool. After the grill is cool, you'll need to empty the pellet hopper. Start by placing a Weber fuel storage bag or a large container under the pellet hopper to collect the pellets as they flow out of the chute. Then simply pull the red pellet release handle to empty the hopper. Use a scraper to help push any remaining pellets down into the pellet chute. Then push the pellet release handle back into place. Set container aside. Next, locate the easy access maintenance panel on the front of the hopper and remove the screws with a Phillips head screwdriver. Open the maintenance panel. Move the container under the motor to collect any remaining pellets as you remove the motor and auger. If you're clearing an auger jam, use a different container, as the quality of pellets in the auger may be compromised. Now remove the motor from the grill by first pinching and pulling the quick disconnect plug. Remove the screws with a Phillips head screwdriver, then pull out the motor and auger from the grill. As you remove the auger, inspect it thoroughly and purge any remaining dust and debris. Once the auger is clean and jam is removed, replace the auger and motor back into the grill. Put the maintenance panel back and tighten the screws. Refill the pellet hopper, plug in the grill, and you're ready to get cooking. For more information, visit Weber.com or contact Consumer Care.